New York is famous for its pizza and street cuisine. The city also has hundreds of outstanding Asian restaurants like Korean, Vietnamese, Persian, Taiwanese, and much more. In this video, we're going to list an amazing New York restaurant from 9 different Asian cuisines. Number 1. Cote. Cote is the first Korean steakhouse in New York City. It combines the eating experience of Korean barbecue with the attributes of a typical American steakhouse. Every table has a smokeless grill, and cuts from the in-house dry-aged chamber guarantee that every piece of steak is hot, fresh, and caramelized to perfection. Number 2. 886. 886 is Taiwan's international calling code. A New York-influenced Taiwanese food with locally sourced ingredients. Here at 886, they serve scallion pancake beef wrap, honey glazed popcorn chicken, and an amazing sesame noodle. Number 3. Sofray. Sofray is a term for an iconic Persian fabric that served as the backdrop for seasonal feasts and celebrations. The menu starts from homemade yogurts to fresh baked breads and much more Persian delights. Number 4. ZomTon. ZomTon introduced authentic yet modern Asian food to Bangkok residents who had become accustomed to the traditional. It has now expanded into the United States and the curious palates of New York City, providing a once-in-a-lifetime chance for New Yorkers to experience and appreciate real Asian cuisine. Number 5. ZHOU. ZHOU is a Chinese restaurant in New York City. Their dumplings are commendable and prices are affordable. The place itself is all character because of its light environment, a hidden gem indeed. Number 6. Urban Hawker. Urban Hawker, located in the heart of New York City, is a genuine Singapore street food emporium. It's good, simple heritage cooking that the rest of the world will love. Number 7. Little Manila. The name Little Manila Avenue has been given to a particular intersection of streets in the borough of Queens in the city of New York. There's a substantial concentration of Filipino-American specialties in this part of Woodside, which has been the case for some time. Number 8. Nalsia Vu. Nalsia Vu dishes are highly shareable and snackable, but also decadent. They offer Vietnamese classics like soup transformed into salads and soupless pastas. They even have a massive showstopper that is meant to be shared with a crew. Number 9. SEMMA. SEMMA serves authentic South Indian cuisine. With only one mouthful, you'll realize that this is hearty cuisine. The dishes are spicy, yet the heat is applied gracefully and freely. Like and comment below if you enjoyed our video. Make sure you don't miss any of our videos by subscribing to the channel. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.